Hey guys, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Today I'm getting my room all packed up for the summer. It's just one of those crazy things where it's like, man, the year just flew by even though I really wasn't even in this room. I mean, I was in the room for a part of the year, doing hybrid. But today I'm getting my room packed up and ready to just, get checked out for the summer. So I'm taking you along the ride just to show you how my process of getting packed up is. So if you want to come along with me, let's go.
Hino Lego Robotics.
Oh, yeah. So my task is to just get everything put away. Those are those pneumatic sets and some Vex parts. This is what my students took apart from their hybrid robots. So I need to put all those away. They said I can leave some things in my closet. So I think I've showed you this before. Right before the school shut down, everybody's robot was still inside of these cabinets. And so I'll probably leave that for next year's classes to take apart. And, oh yeah, I was showing my students the Star Wars robot. I showed that to you guys, right? I'll come back to that as it's powering up. So luckily, those of you that remember when you were a kid and mom or dad would check to see that you cleaned your room, how you would just shove everything in a closet. So that's what this is kind of looking like. So these were all the robots that my students were working on before the school shut down. I mean, there were so many different robots. Educator bots, the tank bot. I know there's the gyro boy. There's another gyro boy right there. The trash can bot. You remember that video, guys? And there's another tank bot type robot. Look, there's a launcher that somebody had. And there's another gyro boy back there. So that was my problem when the school shut down. I'm like, man, my students would usually be the ones to take all of this apart, but now they're just sitting in here, wondering what happened, like Toy Story, like, hey, where did all the students go? So hopefully in August, I'm keeping my fingers crossed, I'll have students to take all of these apart and sort the pieces for me. You're probably like, yeah, right, Mr. Hino. So if you guys remember, this was the Star Wars, the X-Wing fighter. So this one makes it go left and right. There's my laser. And then this one has the wings open and close. That's so cool. So back and forth. Open and close. Look at that thing. That thing is so cool. So that was the X-Wing fighter. Okay, so again, the sad truth. Before next school year starts, I have to go through all of this. Good night. How many days or weeks am I going to need to clean this mess up? So this is another Mr. Hino's closet. Just throw everything in here and hope and pray nobody walks in here because there's just stuff everywhere. Some first Lego League things. I'm pretty embarrassed to show this to you guys, but this is gonna be something I'm gonna need to work on when we come back in the fall. Got first Lego League mats up there. This is where I had all my Vex things. There's so many first Lego League models that I need to fix up. Do any of you guys, coaches, teachers, have the same issue? Like all of your first Lego League stuff is just in shambles. Some more mats, Space Challenge things. Oh boy. EV3s. Okay, that stuff looks pretty organized. Woo. It's gonna be quite a coming back to school in the fall. This room is gonna come back to meet me. This is something one of my students made for me. It's a pencil holder, but it's made out of a bunch of Lego bricks and some eyes. Isn't that cool? Don't you love it when students know that you love Lego? Then you just get all this kind of Lego stuff. Okay, guys, so that's it. Wrapped up for the year. Thank you so much for just hanging with me in this really crazy year. So my dream and hope is for next school year to roll around and, we can just go back to the way things were. I'm not sure if that's the way it's going to look like. Everything's kind of up in the air right now. But I'm just excited to have, possibly be able to compete again in First Lego League and just to be able to see my students just in person instead of on this computer screen. So I'm just hoping that you guys have a wonderful summer. If you're wondering if I'm going to be bringing you guys videos, I'm going to try my best. I'm going to bring home some things so I can just start working on some projects and bring those to you. We'll see how it happens. So I'm just very anxious to be able to be on vacation. But I don't want to think that that means I'm not going to be bringing you guys videos. My mind never really goes on vacation as far as robotics. My mind is always thinking about things. Wherever I go, I'm just like, hey, how can we incorporate a robot into what I'm seeing? So stay tuned over the summer because I'll be bringing you guys videos. All right, guys? Okay, have a wonderful summer. Be looking for my videos because I'm going to bring them at you. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.